How to turn on or off device auto power off in HDMI on Skyworth TV. And okay guys, on your remote, okay, press the settings button or gear icon, and the pop-up are shown on the right, and you can see the gear icon again and go to gear icon or settings. And now here in general settings, okay, go to channel and inputs. Here in input, okay, you can see the HDMI control. Make sure the HDMI control is on. And below you can see the device auto power off. And the device auto power off is turned off. And on the right side of this device auto power off, you can see the switch button. If this turn on, the device auto power off is enabled. And if this turn off, the device auto power off is disabled. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully turned on or off the device auto power off on HDMI and Skyworth TV.